Hello, geometry people. How are you? We're going to switch gears a little bit. Our new topic for today is the exterior angles of a triangle. Now, I think you know that the word exterior means outside. So we're talking about the angles outside of a triangle. So, here is a triangle. What do we mean about the angles outside of a triangle? Well, what you do to get the angles on the outside, you take one of the sides and you extend it like that. And you now have an exterior angle. Right here would be the exterior angle. Now, what you know already is if the interior angle right there is 40 degrees, you can find that exterior angle, can't you? Because since this is a straight line, it measures not very straight, but that's a straight line. Together, these two angles measure 180 degrees. They're supplementary, also called a linear pair because together they make a line. So to find the measure of that exterior angle, you would just do 180 minus 40 and you get 140. So that angle right there is 140 degrees. So the exterior angle is always going to be supplementary to the interior angle right next to it. Let me talk about the vocabulary a little bit, how this is described. So let's say we're given in triangle ABC, side AB is extended through B to D. In triangle ABC, side AB is extended through B to D. That's the wording that's used to create an exterior angle. We say one side is extended. So let's draw this diagram, okay? Make a triangle. And you can really label it any way you want because you can have an exterior angle at any of the three vertexes. It doesn't matter. But I'll just do it this way to make it look nice. A, B, C. So now what it says is side AB right here is extended through B right there to D. So there's our diagram. Okay? Now I'm going to show you something about these exterior angles. Let me say this one is 20 and this one right here is 50. Let's find the measure of the exterior angle right here. That, by the way, is angle CBD is the name of that exterior angle. Now, you already know how to do this using your previous facts you've learned. Because one thing you know how to do is find, if you're given two angles in a triangle, find the angle that's on the inside. Okay? So, let me make this angle number a little bigger so it matches more of how it looks. I made that an 80. Sorry it's so messy. So, you want to know what that angle is? Well, let's find this one first. So you add these two together. 80 and 20 is 100. And then you subtract 100 from 180. Oh, and you get another 80. Isosceles. That's an isosceles triangle. I didn't mean to do it that way, but you have the, you added these two up, 20 and 80, and you got 100. Then you subtract that from 180, and you get that other angle is 80. So that angle is 80 also. Now, how do you find that one? Well, we know these two together are supplementary. So to get that angle, you subtract 80 from 180, and you get 180 minus 80, and this angle right here is 100. Okay? So that's the long way to do it, which you already knew how to do. There is a shortcut to find the exterior angle. And I'm going to show that to you right now. This angle right here, the one on the outside, is equal to this one plus this one. So we didn't have to go through all those steps to find the 80 by doing all this work and then finding the 100 by doing that work. The shortcut is just take the 20 and the 80 and add them up and you get 100. And that's always going to be true. This is the new fact you're learning today. The exterior angle of a triangle is equal to the sum of the two interior angles. And I'm going to put the word remote to just show you what I mean when I say the remote. So let's just do that one more time. We have a triangle. And oh, by the way, you can extend any angle. So instead of always doing it that way, I'm going to just extend it up this way. And let's find that angle. Okay? Well, that's the exterior angle. The two interior angles that are remote, what I mean by remote, I mean the ones that are not next to this one. I mean this one down here. If you know these are 50 and 70, to find that angle, you simply add them together. And 50 and 70 is 120. And that's the measure of that angle right there. You don't have to go through that step there. So that's the shortcut for doing these exterior angle problems in a triangle. Just add up the two interior angles that are remote to it, that are not next to it, that are away from it. Like if I gave you this one and this one, you wouldn't add them together. But this one and this one you can add together. Okay? Good luck on your assignment.